All right, so now we're going to go over the pages inside WordPress. So WordPress has different pages. You click on the page you want. I'm in the contact submission form editing this. And in the Avia layout builder, so there's a default builder and there's an advanced editor. And the advanced editor has layouts, content, and media elements. So what I usually choose is hold on one sec. I usually use the color selection, this to wrap everything in, and then the one-to-one, so it fits the whole screen, one-to-one. That's what it looks like. It looks like a color selection right here, and I can fold it up if I want to go all the way down to the bottom, or I can have multiple content selections, so if I want to do the header, and body, etc., etc. So inside the one-to-one, we put content elements, we put special heading first, and we put separator, and then we put a text block. It looks like this. This is a special header. Go inside the special header, content submission, only one H1 per page, and the H1 is usually centered, saved. This is the special, what is it called? Separator / white space. So this is a separator. I use the default at first. Then it says a text block. So the text block is everything else underneath that's not a header. And I usually copy it once I'm done that section so I can create a new section with a header, separator. The separator is going to be white space instead of, I'm going to use 30, so I usually use 30 pixels. Submission deadlines, and then the content afterwards. So here's all the content in this box. So I'm done with this box. What I'll do is I'm going to copy it, and I'll take out all the content I don't want in this content box. So anything that doesn't pertain to district emails, I'm going to take out. I'm going to delete all this, which is fine because I've already copied it. I made this a header 3 because it's a header inside the content. So I'm just going to change it again. Here we go. Event submission, copy it, save, go back to deadlines. I'm going to change the header from submission deadlines to event submissions. All right, and now I'm going to delete all the content that was in the previous event submissions. And now we're just left with the content that I want inside my event submissions box. I'm going to copy this again, create another white space, and just delete everything that was underneath the box that I want to have everything organized in. The white space is going to go here. Same thing here. I'm going to take this and everything above the separator, I'm going to delete. Yep. Deleted too much. You can always undo. I'm just going to do it manually. So I'm left with the separator up here. All right. So I'm going to do this one more time just to get everything right. And this is my heading 2. So this header is going to be cut and pasted. Take everything out for that. I don't want that to be a header. And I am going to delete that. Don't need that as a header or as a, and this is up here, so I don't need this content right here. Delete that. Paste. And I'll make that a different size just so it looks different on the page. So when you're done with the page, you update it, and that saves it in the WordPress. And what I like to do before I'm done with the page is I like to preview the content. So I can preview how everything looks. See, I see my separator here, submission deadlines, there's white space, submission deadlines, white space, and everything looks pretty good. All right, so I X'd out this box. Go down here. I'm going to go back and update all the meta descriptions at one time, but I'll show you how to do it now. So content, submit content for the district's website. The description is what shows up in the search engines. Do you have news you want to share with fellow Toastmasters? That sounds fine to me. So I don't need to focus keyword because I'm not really trying to rank the page. Update it again, and we're done. I label it done for right now. So because we're building it, I'll label everything done just so I know what's completed and what isn't. Also, in all the boxes here, there are text blocks, so you can look through all here and see what you got. Icons are what we're talking about on the main page, and I'll get back to that in another video.